Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cairn game crashing, stuck on loading, screen not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, now launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After this, check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on your PS5 first, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into a PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Cairn game. And after that, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings. Now click on users and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select Cairn game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, you have to open settings on your PS5 first, then select system. Now go to system software, then select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software and finally select update using internet option. Next is to reinstall Cairn. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Cairn again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain the issue and the support team will try to resolve it and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.